Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to learn about how to plot lot bearings in AutoCAD. Lot bearings are used to draw your site development plan for any specific projects. So in this part, lot description of your site development plan. So we have in the first column, these are your line numbers. So for example, 1-2 is read as 0.1 to 0.2. The next column is we have the bearing. This is read as north 8 degrees 5 minutes west. So N 08 degrees 05 minutes west, or W. And on the last column is these are the distances or the measurement of the lines. So now we are going to draw this so that we are going to plot this so that you can start drawing your site development plan. So let's start. To draw lot bearings, you use the Polyline. So the shortcut for that is PL. Enter. You specify any starting point, and then we start with, I would like to turn off the ortho mode so that I can see where the direction of my line is. So we start with 0.12. We type first its distance, 9.56. Type at symbol 9.56, and to enter the bearing, we type the greater than symbol, and then N 08 D for degrees, 05 apostrophe for the minutes, and then west. Enter. So this is now our line 1, 2, measuring 9.56 meters. So since we are using the Polyline command, we just continue with the rest of the lines. Next is at 13.96 meters. You don't have to type the meters. I am just saying it because this is our unit of measurement, which is the meters. Next, greater than symbol to enter the bearing. North 84 degrees 47 minutes east. So here we can already see where the lines are going. So next distance is at 3.14, greater than symbol, north 84 degrees 47 minutes east. Enter. Next is 3.03, greater than symbol, and 84 degrees 47 minutes east. Okay, we are already going from 0.5 to 6. So at symbol 10.04, greater than S 05 degrees 30 minutes east. For the last line, we type in at symbol 20.03, greater than symbol S 85 degrees 18 minutes west. Enter. So if you can see, it's not totally close because in reality the surveyors are not that when surveying the lot, it's not really that perfect. So you will notice some lines may intersect or the lines may not meet, so it's all right. So we have to just edit and make them meet at one point so that we can close our object. So this now is our site having these we already have here the image of our site. So next is we are going to draw our lot plan. So this is how you draw a lot plan. First is we have to define the points here. So we mark it with a circle. Each endpoint of each line. So we just have to look for the endpoint. So this, as you notice, you can see a box that is specifying the endpoint of a line. This will be displayed if you turn on the OSNAP settings, which was discussed on the previous videos. After that, we will label these points. This is point 1. Let's make it bigger. And then we copy this to all the other points and then we edit. So this is how you do or how you draw lot plans. This is first is we check the measurement so that we know which one is line 1 to 2. So this is 13.96. So according to the table, this is line 2 to 3. So we label this as 2. This is 1.1, point 2. This is point 3, point 4, 5, and 6. So next is we will label these lines. So to do that, we type the bearing. The bearing of line 1 to 2 is N 08 degrees, or we write the symbol for the degrees. You can find it here in the text editor, and then symbol, you can click this arrow down and choose degrees. Next is 05 minutes, apostrophe for the minutes, and then W for the west. We edit this to make it big, 0.4. Okay, center. And then below that is the distance or the measurement of the line. So 9.56 meters. Okay, since this is for line 1 to 2, we put it here, line to 2, and then we rotate following the direction of the line where you want to put it. Okay, move lang dayon on the center. Okay, so we do this now to all our other lines. We just copy this and then position them at the center of the line, and then we will just rotate later on. We edit this. Line 2 to 3 is north 84 degrees 47 minutes, east measuring 13.96 meters. and then we rotate this following the direction of the line where you are going to put this label. Since these three lines have the same bearing and or direction, we just have to copy this and edit the distance. 3 to 4 is 3.14 meters. And 4 to 5 is 3.03. Next is line 5 to 6. So nag-change naman ang iyang bearing. So we edit this. South 05 degrees 30 minutes east. Measurement is 10.04. Rotate. Next line is the last line. Rotate this first. We type its bearing S 85 degrees 18 minutes west, and the measurement is 20.03 meters. So this is now our lot plan. This is already oriented to north orientation. So we put now our label lot plan. So up next is your exercises that will be posted in our Google Classroom. You will draw your own lot plan. So I hope that you have learned something in this video, and see you on the next.